aba babuganira NBK Star Hotel muri Banda kandi mwa hanshonga nkurizero kubateganisa no kutunga umushara muke bizire bari kucaja naho bit parliamentary kukiteka mu nkora.
We are serving now 5 years. We are not being prioritized, and yet we are the service points. It's the LC5, the mayors, and the LC1s basically who are the service points for this. So I'm appealing on behalf of them. We've come to inform them that actually in the current budget there is no salary enhancement. It has not been prioritized.
Enshywa z'urukutenso bw'abakuru nizinduko mu ishengero kandi okongera hamshara muke Dr. Wilson Sanya president w'ekibineki nagira ngo nazatabona constituency zahangirwaho ebyo buheereza biciro kubimunonga.
We are saying the parliament has created very many town council, 396 new entities, but there are no roads. They are not being planned. We are saying under Uganda Road Fund, let there be funds allocated for that so that we can open roads. Otherwise, we are having these town councils, new ones, that are going to become slums.
We recommend, as a region, for continued pursuance of government to allocate equipment for garbage to all urban authorities.
Hariho program ya usmide kutungura endembo bitume ya wakisoro Richard Ndiana nagira ngo program yegeremwe kwikayibar kugetaga munonga.
A number of municipalities were left behind, and some of us are not likely to go back to the positions we have been holding.
Habire muno koreka ndembo kuzigerezo gukora mukurunda n'imishoro okutahemiringo yo kutunga imishoro hamwe n'uburemezo buri mu ndembo zitari zimwe na zimwe
kureba entekateka ensya hariho imishoro kubana yijaho na munonga hati system yitukuzamu etari yo kumanuza aha muntu no handika eje enteka nayo yashikiremo yo kushashurira mu banka kushashurira hasimu twagitungire no kujimprovinga abo kuba mushoro gumwe kubera gugundanwa abantu bitu umwe guhera umushaho zabo
gasha kwati